Okay guys, what I'm going to do is show you how to upload your assignments to turn in for Miss Menard's class. So everybody should now be in Google Classroom, and you should have an assignment here that says Presentation for Atomic Theory. I'm in first period right now because I joined that as a student, but it should look basically the same for most of your classes. So if you did your assignment in Google, it's really easy, but if you did it in Office 365, you're going to have to go through a little bit of an extra step. So the first thing you do is you're going to click Open and open this assignment. If you completed your assignment using a Google product, Google Docs, Google Slides, or something like that, you're just going to click Add and then go to your Google Drive and find that item that you created. So I'm going to let this open. It'll show you all your files. You can do a search on it if you have something there. So say, for example, this PowerPoint was the one that I did. I'm going to click on that, and then I just click Add. If you need to add an additional assignment, you can do that. So if you have like a separate written piece or something that you need to add to that, you can certainly add that. So say, for example, I wanted to add that assignment as well. Now, if you did your assignment in Office 365, you did a PowerPoint or a Word document, you're going to need to download that first. So you need to go to Microsoft Office and log in like you normally do as a student. Once you log in, you're going to click on your OneDrive. That's where all your files are saved. So assuming you did it in the cloud version, you should have your files. Mine's going to have a whole bunch of stuff here. So let's say, for example, this PowerPoint is the one that I did. So I'm going to click on that. Just click on the little button to the left of the document right here, this little check mark, and you're going to go ahead and download that. If you're on a laptop, it's going to download to probably your downloads folder, or it may let you choose to where you want to place it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my desktop. If it automatically downloads, it usually goes in your downloads folder. So you'll have to know where that's going. So click Save, and it's downloading. If you're on a Chromebook, it should automatically download or basically upload to your OneDrive. So you should be able to find it from there. Once you've done that, you'll go back to this Google site, and you're going to click Add, and instead of Google Drive, unless it was on a Chromebook, if you're on a laptop, you'll click File, and then select the file from your computer. And so since I put that on my desktop, here's that file that I just uploaded, and I'm going to click Upload. Okay, and it's adding it to there, and you just click Upload again, and there's that assignment. All right, for those of you who worked with a partner or you just didn't do the assignment, you're still going to have to turn something in. So what you are going to do is hit Create and create a Google Doc. So I'm going to go ahead and create that, and it's going to name it this assignment, so Presentation for Atomic Theory, with your name attached. Once you create that, you need to go ahead and click on it and open it because you need to add some text to it. So give it a second. It's going to think about opening. Let me try that one more time. There we go. All right, so if you worked with a partner, you're just going to type something like, I worked with Jeremy Martinez and he uploaded our project. Okay, that's great. So you would just do that, and then you can click Turn In. If you didn't do the assignment, you can just give a little statement like, I'm so sorry, but I failed to complete the assignment, and you can say why. Because my dog ate my homework, or whatever your excuse is. Once you're done, you can click Turn In, or you can just close the document. It's automatically saved, so there's no saving. It says all changes saved, so you could close it, and then it's still there. And then once you're done with everything, you just click Turn In. Go ahead and click Turn In again, and it's going to say those assignments are done. So Miss Menard will see that they're done. If you forgot something and you already submitted it, you can always click Unsubmit. But once you unsubmit, you'll need to fix whatever's wrong and then turn in again. You always have to finish it by turning it in. And then once you're done, then it'll show that, and you should be complete, and your grade should be noted in the Google Classroom. So I hope that helps you on doing what you need to do. If you have any questions, feel free to come by and see me on Wednesday, as I will be off campus on Tuesday afternoon, but I will be back on Wednesday.